Once you airdrop your downloadable to your iPad, you'll have this window pop up. You are going to press GoodNotes. You're going to press Import. You're going to click on your file. This is going to be your cover page, but yours is going to have your name on it. About turning pages, there's only two ways. You could do it with your fingers, or you could do it with your Apple Pencil. If you're going to do it with your Apple Pencil, make sure that the top is white. Let's talk about the toolbar. The top part of the page will turn blue, and here's where all your tools for editing your planner will appear. Also, you'll notice that you cannot move your pages with your Apple Pencil. Let's talk hyperlinks now. It's pretty much the same as turning your pages because you're going to need the top part to be white. Up here, you're going to see all the hyperlinks. Once you click number 1, it'll take you to vision board exercises. Number 2 will take you to planning your goals. And number 3 will take you to schedule your week. There are two ways to go back to the front page. Number 1, you press the grid icon and all the pages show up. You have thumbnails, favorites, and outlines. The thumbnails allow you to see the pages a little bit bigger. If you click on the tab on top of each page, it becomes a favorite and you can access it faster. Now, this is where we are, right here. We want to go here to the front page. The second way would be to click the hyperlink located at the bottom right, and it's located in every single page. And it brings you right back to the front page. Every single page has it. Now let's go to the goals page so that we can start editing using the blue toolbar. The magnifying square is going to pretty much zoom into any part of your document that you're going to be editing. The pen acts just like as a marker, pen, pencil, as a paper. You also have an eraser, and you also have a highlighter. The next tool can be used to create the perfect shapes. Right here you have a triangle, a square, and a circle. It'll have really smooth lines. You can erase it. And now let's talk about the lasso tool. You will pretty much lasso anything you want, handwriting, a text, or an image. You will click on it and you can use it to resize, recolor, copy and paste, or delete. Right here, let's talk about color. You can, if you have your hex code, you can add it in and it'll show up. I like it pink. So let's talk about adding images. You click the picture image, pick your picture. It'll come up. You can resize it, place it anywhere you want. With the lasso tool, remember to click the images so that it actually drags your image around. This one you can't recolor, but you can definitely resize. Right there. And then you can also lasso, click, delete. Now the text. You can add text to every single page. The way I like to do it, I click text, then I touch the edit button with the double A's, click on font, pick your font you want. I love the Skinny Done. It's one of my favorite fonts. And then click exactly where you want the text to be. Then zoom in, use your lasso tool, go around it, click, color. Now pick any color you want. There's blue. You can pick any color you want. Here I was just trying to check which color I liked. Now you can click and, okay, so I'm trying all these colors. Let's resize it. You see, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. Now we're going to do some copy and pasting. You're going to click, leave it pressed, click paste, and resize it. It'll bring it as the original color. So now you can click and delete, zoom out, you can click that and delete it as well. Now click the little icon of the pencil on top. Your page, the top of your page will turn white. You can go to the next hyperlink, and let's learn how to duplicate a page. Let's take this page for example. I want to duplicate these two pages to go right after it. I'm going to click the grid icon, the bottom arrow, look for duplicate, click it. It's going to show up right after it. The links will be identical. Nothing will change. Now let's talk about moving the page. I will click it and leave it pressed and just drag it anywhere I want it to be. Then, now I want to delete it. So I'm just going to click move to trash, and that's it. Because I'm going to use it so often, I want to touch the little tab for favorites. Now let's close it and let's do a little recap. Let's touch the grid, go to favorites, open that page up, and let's talk about the toolbar again. I'm going to start writing hi, hello, hola, ciao, bella. And now I am going to grab the lasso tool and I'm going to change the color. And I'm going to keep doing these to all of them. Now here, you're going to see that I moved the whole word, but I did not move the little dot over the I. Because technically, since the word is cursive, it's all connected, but not the dot. So I'm just going to color in the dot and then recolor the word. Now I'm going to lasso tool all of them and I'm going to drag them all around. I'm going to press delete, and that's pretty much it, guys. Go to your front page, and voila, you know how to use GoodNotes.